To me, I think the spirituality and management goes together was the biggest learning from my MBA program, PGPEM program at IIM Bangalore. Until that time, I felt these are like two different ends of the coin, or different aspects which doesn't gel together. But then after my program, and we had a course called Spirituality in Management, that course really helped me to think beyond. And also it helped me to identify the purpose of my life. We had to write a reflection paper which helped me to identify the purpose of my life. And also it gave me the courage to quit a well-paid job and start a non-fancy business like idli. I strongly believe a course like this will help a village boy like me to chase my dream.